So we wanted to start a juice bar, and we saw many franchises, but we are not happy with their menus or them not being organic. Being organic is very important for us, and we want to give a very special menu for our customers. We want to provide 100% organic, no additives food, and we don't know where to start, and we found StartAJuiceBar online, and they helped us from A to Z. We are open now.
My experience with StartAJuiceBar, especially because I'm the one interacting with the customers, all these days I got the feedback that they all like the smoothies and the food. They're like very unique. And then when I tasted myself the food and smoothies, I have to admit they're the best smoothies I ever had. The smoothies they have, it's all straightforward ingredients. They don't have anything to enhance the taste, and top of that, each smoothie has a superfood, which is really good, because you cannot, if you have to eat the superfood straight from the box, it's hard to eat. But when you mix with a smoothie, you get the benefits of superfood, and at the same time you can enjoy the smoothie or food, whatever the item you are.
Initially they helped us make our logos, make our branding, menus and
Training.
whatnot, like everything from A to Z. And they sent Michael out when we were ready to open for training, and he has been such a great help, and he really gave us the real experience with the food. So it's a very good experience with StartAJuiceBar, and I love working with them, and it's definitely a dream come true. Thank you very much for StartAJuiceBar
for helping us out.
Build our dream business.
Yeah.